Hello guys, this is Zibby from Max Motors. Today we're working on a 2007 Mercedes-Benz C230. This car is equipped with the M272 motor. It's a 2.5 V6 and we are having some issues with the chain slap or something close to that. We do believe it's a chain slapping on something, but it could be the camshaft adjusters themselves, the sprockets. There's two on each head. Those like to go bad and cause a wreckage of noises in your motor. There is a lot of guides that the engine does have on the timing chain, so we'll be looking into those. We will be taking this apart and we'll be checking into what's causing these noises. So guys, I want you to hear this. The noise is persistent. With a cold or warm engine, it does not make a difference. Just another project for us. I am really looking forward into digging into this issue here. We're here in Bristol, Connecticut. We do a lot of older Benzes. Watch some of our videos, like and subscribe. If you're around, need some service, we know our stuff. Thanks for stopping in.